Inherited a website project saved as an XWP package and need to extract its contents? This is a Microsoft Expression web archive format from a discontinued web design tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Expression web package files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective XWP file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A website package created by Microsoft Expression Web, a discontinued web design application. This file acts as a compressed archive bundling all of a site's assets, HTML, CSS, images, and scripts, into a single file. Users search for this to import, export, or back up an entire website project for easy migration or sharing. The XWP file is fundamentally a standard zip archive with a renamed extension. This design leverages a ubiquitous compression technology, making it simple to package a complex directory structure into a single portable file. The internal hierarchy is preserved, allowing Expression Web to unpack and restore the website project accurately. The specific reading module for XWP files is provided by Microsoft Expression Web from Microsoft Corporation. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows previews only high-level information, so actual file access depends on decompression software. To unlock this specific XWP file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Expression Web is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the XWP file won't open, don't panic. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, opening with Expression Web. Install Microsoft Expression Web 4, which remains available as a free download from Microsoft's archive. Use File, then Import, then Personal Web Package to extract the XWP contents into a new or existing site. Expression Web rebuilds the project structure ready for editing in its WYSI/WYG environment. Next, extracting as archive. Rename the XWP file extension to .zip and open it with 7-zip WinRAR or Windows Explorer. The package contents extract as standard web files, which you can then open in any modern web editor like Visual Studio Code or Adobe Dreamweaver for continued development. Finally, migrating to modern tools. After extraction, migrate the website to a modern platform since Expression Web is no longer supported. Open the HTML and CSS files in Visual Studio Code or import them into a current CMS like WordPress. Update deprecated code and test the site in current browsers to ensure compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.